Hello children, today we shall start exercise 4.2 question number 1 of linear equations in two variable. The question is which one of the following options is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has first part a unique solution, second part only two solutions, third part is infinitely many solutions. So children, the answer is option third is correct because linear equations in two variables have infinitely many solutions. We can find children endless solutions of these linear equations. So we will write option third is correct. Question number second is write four solutions for each of the following equations. First part is 2x plus y equal to 7. Children, we shall take different values of x to find different values of y. We can assume any value. In step 1, I have taken x equal to 0. So I will put x equal to 0 in our given equation 2x plus y is equal to 7. 2x means 2 into x means 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 7. 2 into 0 is 0 plus y is equal to 7. So value of y is equal to 7. So I will write x equal to 0 and y is equal to 7, or I can write it in the form of coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. X is 0 comma y is 7. So 0 7 is the first solution of the given equation. To find second solution in step 2 children, I will assume value of x equal to 1. You can take any value. I have taken x equal to 1. I will put this value in the given equation 2x plus y is equal to 7. 2x means 2 into x. x की वैल्यू है 1, so 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 7. In the next step, 2 into 1 is 2 plus y equal to 7. In next step, 2 will be shifted to right hand side and would be converted into minus 2. So value of y will be 7 minus 2 equal to 5. So y equal to 5. So I would write x equal to 1 and y is equal to 5, or in the form of coordinates 1 5 is the second solution. Step 3 children, I have taken the value of x now 2. Let x equal to 2. I will put this value again in the given equation 2x plus y is equal to 7. 2x means 2 into x means 2 into value of x here is 2. So 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 7. Next step, 2 into 2 is 4 plus y is equal to 7. In next step, 4 will be shifted to right hand side and will be converted into minus 4. So value of y is 7 minus 4, that is 3. So I would write x equal to 2 comma y is equal to 3, or in the form of coordinates 2 comma 3 is third solution. Now children, I have to find fourth value. I have to find 4 solution. I have found 3 solution. Now for the fourth solution, I will take x equal to 3. 2x plus y is equal to 7. Again, in this equation, I will put the value of x equal to 3. So 2x means 2 into x, or 2 into 3 plus y is equal to 7. In next step, 2 into 3 is 6 plus y equal to 7. Y will remain as it is and 6 will be shifted to right hand side and will be converted into minus 6. So value of y is 1. So I will write x equal to 3 and y is equal to 1, or 3 1 is the solution of the given equation. Now I have found 4 solutions children. I would show all the 4 solutions in the form of the box as shown on your screen. Now children, part second is pi x plus y is equal to 8. we have to put different value of x in this equation to find different values of y. We can choose any value, children, doesn't matter, you may choose any value. I am taking in first step x equal to 0. So pi x plus y is equal to 9. Pi x means pi into x. In step A, children, pi into, in the place of x I would write 0 plus y as it is equal to 9. In step B, children, pi into 0 will become 0 plus y equal to 9. In step C, children, y is equal to 9. So I will write x equal to 0 means I have taken the value of x equal to 0 and I have found the value of y is 9, or in the form of coordinates 0, 9 is the first solution. To find the second solution, second value, children, in step 2 I have taken for x equal to 1. Again I will put this x equal to 1 in the given equation, that is pi x plus y is equal to 9. In step A, children, pi x means pi into x. Here the value of x is 1. So pi into 1 plus y is equal to 9. In step B, children, pi into 1 will remain as it is, pi plus y is equal to 9. In step C, children, we have to find the value of y. So pi will be shifted to right hand side and will be converted into minus pi. So I will write x equal to 1 and y is equal to 9 minus pi, means I took the value of x equal to 1 and I found the value of y is equal to 9 minus pi, or in the form of coordinates 1, 9 minus pi is the second solution. To find the third value, children, in step 3 I have taken x equal to 2. Again I will put this value in the given equation, pi x plus y is equal to 9. In step A, children, pi x means pi into x means pi into 2 plus y equal to 9. In step B, children, pi into 2 means 2 pi plus y is equal to 9. In step C, children, I have to find the value of y. So 2 pi will be shifted to right hand side and will be converted into minus 2 pi. So I would write the statement x equal to 2, y is equal to 9 minus 2 pi, or 2, 9 minus 2 pi is the third solution of the given equation. Now in step 4, children, I will take x equal to 3. I will put this value in the given equation, pi x plus y is equal to 9. In step A, children, pi into x means 3 plus y is equal to 9. In step B, children, pi into 3 will become 3 pi plus y is equal to 9. In step C, children, 3 pi will be shifted to right hand side and will be converted into minus 3 pi. So I will get y is equal to 9 minus 3 pi and x equal to 3, means I took the value of x, assumed the value of x 3 and I found the value of y is equal to 9 minus 3 pi. Or I can write it in the form of coordinates 3, 9 minus 3 pi is the fourth solution. Now children, I would write all the values in the form of the box as shown on your screen. Values of x I assumed 0, 1, 2, 3 and values of y I found, that is on putting value of x 0 I found value of y 9. Value of x 1 I found value of y 9 minus pi. On putting value of x 2 I found value of y 9 minus 2 pi. On putting value of x equal to 3, I found value of y is equal to 9 minus 3 pi. Now students, part third, x equal to 4y. Now in step 1, I will assume y is equal to 0. So I will write for y is equal to 0. I will put this value in the given equation, x equal to 4y. X as it is equal to 4y means 4 into y. Here I have taken the value of y 0. So 4 into 0, answer will be 0. So x equal to 0, I will get the answer. So I will write x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 is the first solution. If 2 children, I will take y is equal to 1. Again, I will put this value in the given equation, x equal to 4y. 4 as it is, value of y is 1, it means 4 into 1, so I will get the answer 4. So I will write x equal to 4 and y is equal to 1 is the second solution. Third children, again I will put value y is equal to 2. You can take any value children, it doesn't matter. I am taking here y is equal to 2. I will put this value in the given equation, x equal to 4y. 4y means 4 into y. Here y is 2, so 4 into 2, I will get the answer. 4 into 2 is 8. So x equal to 8 and y is equal to 2 is the third solution. Now in step 4 children, I will take the value of y is equal to 3. I will put this value in the given equation, x equal to 4 into y means 4 into 3, so x equal to 12. So I will write the statement x equal to 12 and y is equal to 3 is the fourth solution. Now I will mention all these value in the form of box as shown on your screen. I will put the values of x 0, 4, 8 and 12 and value of y 0, 1, 2, 3. On putting value of y 0, I have found the value of x equal to 0. On putting y is equal to 1, I have found the value of x equal to 4. On putting y is equal to 2, I have found the value of x equal to 8. On putting y is equal to 3, I have found the value of x equal to 12. So these are our 4 solutions of the given equation x equal to 4y.